About 60% of the cost of maintaining a nuclear power plant is in the operations and maintenance. It's very hard to retrofit a nuclear power plant after it's been built to go and update it to the current maintenance practices. There's such a demand for new electricity, and if we're going to meet that demand, part of that will be new nuclear power. And if we want to meet new nuclear power, we need to make sure we're doing it cost effectively. It's very important that we're doing the research now. It can be part of the design as they go to build the plant, and then operations will become much more effective and cost effective.
X-Energy's objective is to provide clean, safe, secure energy and make it affordable worldwide. We're designing the XE100 reactor as our commercial reactor, and operations includes maintenance. We contracted EPRI as a consultant to support us in developing the maintenance strategies, understanding frequencies of maintenance. EPRI's got a tremendous wealth of knowledge in that area, so we've been harvesting that as much as we can.
X-Energy is just one example of these new designs in play. A lot of programs that we've used over the years, decades really, in the nuclear stations now, can be optimized, can be made more efficient, can reduce some of the burden that are in place, and even automate some of those things with the advent of technology and potentially AI. Taking all those learnings and being able to look across the broader spectrum, not only can we help X-Energy, but all the programs that we build out, all this learning that we get, we can generalize it and make it available to the other members.
We've went out and interviewed our members, taken best practices both from the nuclear industry and outside the nuclear industry to make sure that we're doing the best we can to reduce the cost of maintenance. So having that collaborative model of taking all that input, putting it into a guideline that others can follow so that it can now be used by the entire industry as they go to build out new nuclear and not just be one-off projects.
We all have a passion and a want for the nuclear industry to succeed. Why would we not share the learnings that we make along the way to really bring that value to the future?
It's very important that we eliminate as many of the unknown unknowns as possible. Working with EPRI has really helped us identify some of the unknowns that we had that might have been known to EPRI through their experience in other projects and working with other utilities.
We're seeing great traction right now with the new plants. Looking at breaking ground, some of them, if we look at our international members, have already built new nuclear power plants. You couple that with the need for clean, firm energy and this large surplus of demand that we're seeing, all of these combine into one that really, I think, shows a promising future for nuclear.